Hi, my name is James Pybus. I've been a digital marketer now for over 25 years, and I'm just going to give you a very small introduction to mastering keyword research. So this course is completely free, or this section of it at least. Going into businesses over the last sort of 20 odd years as a freelancer, first question I'd ask is, have you got a digital marketing strategy? To which the majority of companies say, yes, of course we have, but nobody could tell you what it is. So I came up with a framework that I call the Logic Digital Marketing Methodology. It starts with keyword research, moves into the paid advertising, the SEO, and then the content strategy. So as I was doing the keyword research, I realized that I didn't really, the tool wasn't doing what I wanted it to do. So what I did was I built my own tool, which is called Keyword Strategy Tool. It's been used by us over the last sort of 6-7 years. We've never promoted the fact that we've even got the tool. It's been used as an in-house tool. And what we do is we basically offer a white label solution for digital agencies. So customers would go to a digital agency. These agencies would then pass it to us. We would do the first 3 months, so all the groundwork, all the setup, hence our name, Digital Marketing Groundworks, and then we would pass it back. And obviously you would never know we're even there. So basically the whole point of this is to explain exactly how to do keyword research correctly. It's not quite as simple as a lot of people make out, and don't be tempted to go into the keyword strategy tool and think you know the tool, because there's some hidden features in there you really need to know about in order to get this research correct. Now obviously I want you to be successful, and at the end of that course, if you like, there's a free 30-minute session where I'll look at your keywords and try and group them together and discuss how best to apply the keywords to the methodology, to the framework, to the strategy. And so getting that strategy is absolutely critical to your business. And obviously with the keywords, they are, this is a proven data-driven strategy. The keywords are the real data. This is what people are actually typing in. So hope you enjoyed the course, and remember to get your free reports. Thank you.